And in the garden, nothing.
As I told you, Lord Campbell has a lot to do with this story. But look! The body's not here anymore.
Oh, it's true, Inspector. But where is the body?
Poor Lady Campbell. Where is she?
I'm afraid Lord Campbell is trying to get rid of the body.
Oh, so he must be around here.
Maybe somewhere in the house and not very far.
Yes, we must find him before he gets rid of Lady Campbell's body. Come on!
Okay, I got everything. I checked before leaving. My passport, my wallet, with my money, my credit card. And the most important, my teddy bear. I can't sleep without my teddy bear.
Paul! Where are you?
It's
I miss you, Paul. Come with me.
I go. And once again, I'm too young to die. I'm sorry, Mary. I'm really sorry.
We have looked everywhere. Where could he be?
I don't know, Inspector.
It is so strange.
What's on the table?
Oh, they are Lord Campbell's things.
Oh, and what are they doing there? These things?
There is just one explanation. Lord Campbell has been here.
You are really brilliant and really smart, but why? Why are they here, Inspector?
It's obvious. I'm afraid Lord Campbell was trying to escape. And what do you know? It's easy. Look. There is a passport,
A passport?
a lot of money,
Money as well.
and a big suitcase full of clothes.
Okay.
Oh, look. And the teddy bear.
His teddy bear.
His teddy bear. He never goes out without his teddy bear.
I know what we will do. I'll give his passport, so he won't be able to leave this country. We must be very careful. We don't know what kind of monster we are facing.
You are right. That's a good idea, Inspector.
You are really smart.
Now, there is no time to waste. We must find Lord Campbell before he does any more damage.
Okay.
Paul?
What's that? It's my husband's suitcase. These are his feet. And his teddy bear. But now I understand everything. He's trying to go away. But why? And the most important, with whom? Oh, now I understand everything. He's trying to escape with Lisa. He has been very kind to her. Lisa this thing, Lisa the other thing, and the way she can look at him. Oh, it's horrible. Paul! Come here, Paul! Paul, come here! I'm going to kick you, stupid bastard!
Oh my God. What's that again? Oh, this situation is turning me completely fool. This can't be happening to me. I'm going to take my lungs and I'll go very far. Lisa, don't leave me this way. Lisa! Lisa!
affair with our servant. Oh,
It's not what it seems.
what a shame.
Oh, Betty, but one moment. What are you doing here? I thought you were dead.
Why I should be dead? Stupid bastard. Leave that woman right now and put on your clothes. You are ridiculous.
But Betty, I can explain it. It's not what it seems.
I don't need your explanation. I'm not blind. I understand it all.
You understand what?
I understand why you wanted to spend your time with Lisa and not with me.
Mary, you know I hate gardening and I love cooking very much. I was only trying to learn.
Shut up! I don't want to hear anymore. I want to get divorced.
Divorce?
Oh,
But Mary, you know I love you. I want to get divorced.
yes, the divorce.
Mary.
I want the mansion, the road, the horse, and of course our fancy baby.
But Mary, that's everything we have.
Not everything. You still have our castle in Scotland.
Our castle. You know it was destroyed 4 centuries ago. Nobody could live there.
Don't you see? As usual, you never take my opinion into account. I told you to reveal it 1,000 times. And what did you do? Nothing as always.
We have to look everywhere.
And we have
nothing.
Everybody. Aha! You are here!
Who are you?
I'm Inspector Higgins from the Scotland Yard, and Sis Deborah, my personal assistant.
What are you doing here?
We've come to solve Lady Campbell's murder.
My murder. I'm still alive, stupid god. Paul, this is one of your jobs.
Hang on.
I never
How
met
can you see us? Can you give an
I never
explanation?
met this man before, Mary. I promise.
I don't promise. I don't anything. I don't understand anything. Before you were there.
Now you're alive. Before you were a murderer, and now you are... What are you?
Get down, you freak, and don't come back anymore. Paul, I send you my lawyer. Now, go away.
Oh, but please.
Can you let me have money for this house?
I was about to ask you the same. I just got divorced too.
How do you know
You
that
get divorced, Inspector, really? That's a pity.
Have you got any sense of for me?
Of course.
For me, this is really late to go home alone. Come along.
What is going on here?
Ask my husband what he was doing with your wife.
What is my Lisa lying on the floor?
Oh, calm down, calm down. You and me are the same now. We are both single souls. We can help each other. Come with me, and I bought something.
I'm so
Tell
foolish.
you something.
I'm so foolish. I have a chicken in the oven. Let's talk later.
A great performance, Lisa. You're fantastic as Chris Love. I miss you so much. When we come to an end.
Very soon, darling. Now we have to be patient. We have to get rid of Lady Campbell, and then we will be rich and free to get married.
Yes, beloved. And don't forget that together you go there also, because she has been watching us and she can defend us.
Yes. You are so fed up to serve these stupid people. I know it. Now, we have to be very careful. They can see us together. You understand, my love?
You're so intelligent,
But
so
now you must
smart.
hide so. And let me finish the job.
Oh, darling, we are together alone. I'm free to love you, and it's the way to show you my love for you. My will, my will, my money will be yours.
Oh, sweetie, you are so... Lisa, our dreams come true. Our dreams come true, Lisa. We have everything we wanted. And you are so brilliant. I know how to work for you. What are you looking for, Lisa? No. What happened? Our dreams come true, Lisa. No. Our dreams, no. My dreams.
And tomorrow at 10, I will be flying to Hawaii.
Not in this life, Lisa. Very stressed. I really need a holiday with some beaches, cocktails, and a beautiful girl by my side.